To download or install Path of Exile 2 on Steam, play for free. Are 1. Install Steam on your PC. Open your web browser, download and install Steam. Complete the setup process. Launch Steam. Sign into your Steam account. 2. Create a Steam account if needed. Open Steam. Click Create a new account. Enter your email address, verify your email, complete account setup, sign into Steam. 3. Search for Path of Exile 2, open Steam Store. Click the search bar, type Path of Exile 2, select the game from the search results, open the game store page. 4. Check game availability. Review the game page. Ensure the game is available in your region. Verify that your PC meets the minimum requirements. Confirm that the game is marked as available to play. 5. Click Play Game or Install. On the store page, click Play Game or Install. Steam will add the game to your library. Wait for the installation window to appear. 6. Select installation location. Choose your preferred drive. Confirm the installation path. Ensure sufficient free storage space. Click Install. Wait for the download to begin. 7. Monitor download progress. Open library, select Path of Exile 2, monitor the download progress. Keep Steam running. Wait for installation to complete. 8. Verify game files, optional. Right-click Path of Exile 2, select Properties, open installed files, click Verify integrity of game files, allow Steam to check the installation. 9. Launch Path of Exile 2, open Steam library, select Path of Exile 2, click Play, wait for the game launcher to open, complete any required updates. 10. Sign in and start playing. Log in with your Path of Exile account if required. Configure graphics settings. Complete any first-time setup. Enter the game. Enjoy playing Path of Exile 2. Bonus tips. Keep Steam updated to the latest version. Close unnecessary background applications during installation. Use a stable internet connection for faster downloads. Install the latest graphics drivers before launching the game. Ensure you have enough free disk space for future updates. These steps will help you successfully download, install, and launch Path of Exile 2 on Steam PC.